Alright, I wanted to show this. A picture is worth more than 1,000 words. So this is from one of the problems that's on your EOC. And what we have here is a triangle. Nothing too exciting, it's just a triangle. But this is a three-dimensional Geogebra output, so you can kind of make this three-dimensional. So it's just a triangle now. This is actually the XYZ plane, not that important, at least for this demonstration. But notice I have a triangle. But watch what happens when I spin a triangle. And this is one of your problems from your EOC. And if you got to this problem, you'll know what it is. So if I spin it, look what happens. What kind of figure do you see? Do you see a cone? So I think it's obvious when you spin. But notice this is a right triangle. So if I spin a right triangle, and you can see it from every angle, that's a cone. Okay, should be obvious there. All right, stop spinning. All right, so now, okay, let's get it to stop spinning here. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna go back to nothing, to just a triangle. And now I'm gonna make another right triangle, which I already created here at the bottom. That's just a right triangle at the bottom. All right, it's two right triangles. What type of figure, without me even spinning it, will I make? Well, it's really gonna be two cones, right? It's a top cone and a bottom cone. Well, you can call it what you want to call it, but I think the problem calls it a double cone. And that's why it's a double cone. I can see how that problem was really confusing to several people, but I thought I'd make a little video on this using Geogebra. But this kind of gives you a visual of a double cone. And I thought this was very interesting and exciting. And if you want to know how to do this, just go to geogebra.org. And you can, I'll slowly spin. Well, I didn't mean to think of that, but I'll slowly scroll everything I have typed in. I typed in R equals. I have here my point. I have my H equals R. There's another variable which gives me a line segment tool, which draws a segment. There's my spinning option. And there's my surface. This right here makes it spin. And it's actually a function. It brings up these cosine and sine functions automatically. And there's my C negative R, that's the line on the bottom. And this is gonna be my other line, other point in 3D space. There's my segment, and there's my other variable, which spins it again on the bottom. So hopefully this helps. All right, see ya.